Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of withdrawing your winnings on Betway using the Cash Send access code with Absa. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a safe and smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Betway account. Start by opening the Betway app or website on your device. Enter your login details and authenticate your account to access your betting profile. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, look for the withdrawal section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the My Account or Banking menu. Step 3. Select Cash Send as your withdrawal method. In the withdrawal section, you will see a list of available withdrawal methods. Choose Cash Send as your preferred option. Step 4. Generate your access code. After selecting Cash Send, you will need to generate your Cash Send access code. This code is essential for processing your withdrawal securely. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your code. Step 5. Enter your access code. Once you have your Cash Send access code, enter it in the designated field. Double-check the code to ensure there are no mistakes. Step 6. Provide your Absa account details. Next, you will need to input your Absa bank account details. Make sure to include accurate information for a hassle-free transaction. Step 7. Confirm your withdrawal. Review all the information you have entered, your access code and Absa account details. If everything looks correct, confirm your withdrawal request. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. When your withdrawal request is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. The processing time can vary, so be patient while your request is being handled. Step 9. Check your Absa account. Finally, log into your Absa account to verify that the funds have been deposited. Ensure that the amount matches your withdrawal request for peace of mind. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on using the Betway Cash Send access code for withdrawals via Absa. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.